Hi friends, welcome back to Shomax channel. Today's video is about Studio Color Pencil box which I bought from Dollarama. This box cost $4. Already I have a posted video of a 3 set of color boxes from the same brand. These are all the 4 set of boxes. Actually I like this brand because this pencil really rich in pigmentation. So I finally bought the last set and I'm going to do shading blending as well. Let's see how it looks, how the sheets look. Okay, I'm going to do unboxing and let's move on to the shading and blending as well. Yeah, I'm going to open the box. Wow, amazing. Let me pick one of the pencil and I'll show you. Yeah, on the pencil they mention the studio, their brand name. Yeah, this is how the pencil look. Let's move on to the shading and blending. Let's see how vibrant it is. Yeah, these are all the 18 shades of the pencils. They have a yellow, orange and some brown shades. Actually, only one thing I disappoint was like they don't have bright yellows. They have only the light ones. Actually, the color number 4 was like it's bit bright compared to any other yellows over here. So that is the only thing. Now let's move on to blending. I have chosen the color at 16, 13 and 11. Let's take 12, 9 and 8. Well, this is how the blending looks. I hope you all enjoy this video. If you like my video, then give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the notification button so that you will get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Until take care. Bye.